little baby bump.
Have you ever seen my nose? My nose, my nose. Have you ever seen my nose? It looks just like this, a small nose.
It's my nose.
It's kind of like your nose. Have you ever seen my nose? It looks just like this. Have you ever seen my snout? My snout, my snout. Have you ever seen my snout? It looks just like this.
A pink snout.
A round snout. There's nothing like my snout. Have you ever seen my snout? It looks just like this. Seen my beak, my beak, my beak. Have you ever seen my beak? It looks just like this, a flat beak.
A yellow beak.
I really love my beak. Have you ever seen my beak? It looks just like this. Have you ever seen my whiskers, my whiskers? My whiskers, have you ever seen my whiskers? They look just like this, long whiskers.
White whiskers.
Check my fancy whiskers. Have you ever seen my whiskers? They look just like this.
Singing with the bus driver, bus driver. Bus driver, singing with the bus driver. We go to school. She sings a fun song and we all sing along. Singing with the bus driver. We go to school. Learning with our school teacher. School teacher, school teacher. Learning with our school teacher. We love to learn. We read and we write. We try to get our sums right. Learning with our school teacher. We love to learn. Playing all together, together, together. Playing all together at lunchtime each day. We laugh and we run, we play games and have fun. Playing all together at lunchtime each day. Singing with the bus driver, bus driver, bus driver. Singing with the bus driver as we go home. We had a great day, we worked hard and we played. Singing with the bus driver as we go home. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Light the lights and hang the tinsel, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be cheerful, fa la 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 la. Decorate the Christmas tree now, fa la 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 la. Rainbow colors all around, fa la 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 la. Hang the stars and deck the halls, fa la 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 la. Merry Christmas one and all, fa la 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 la. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Your boughs so green in summertime, stay bravely green in wintertime. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I am learning to get dressed. I'm learning what to do. This is how I put on my top. This is how I pull on my trousers. This is how I pull up my socks. This is how I slip on my shoes. Let's learn how to get dressed. Let's learn just what to do. Oh? I am learning to get dressed. I'm learning what to do. This is how I put on my t-shirt. This is how I pull on my skirt. This is how I pull up my socks. This is how I slip on my shoes. Now I learned how to get dressed. I know just what to do. Wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth. I've got a wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth. I've got a wobbly tooth. Going to the dentist, going to the dentist. Got to get our teeth checked, got to get our teeth checked. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Dentists really care, dentists really care.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. What have you got there? What have you got there? Wobbly tooth. Wobbly tooth. You've got a wobbly tooth. Wobbly tooth. Wobbly tooth. You've got a wobbly tooth. Don't you worry, don't you worry. It's quite normal, it's quite normal. Your tooth will fall out. Your tooth will fall out. Another will grow back. Another will grow back.
Thank you, Mr. Dentist. Thank you, Mr. Dentist. That was not so bad. That was not so bad. Wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth. I've got a wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth, wobbly tooth. I've got a wobbly tooth.
Riding the train along the track, riding the train, clickety-clack. Let's shovel coal, away we roll. Did you ever hear the engine chuck, chuck, chuck? Riding the train, riding the train along the track, riding the train, clickety-clack. Let's look outside, enjoy the ride. Did you ever hear the whistle go toot, 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 toot?
it again. Pass to a friend, then move some more, and we will score. Having fun and playing fair, taking penalties, running, shooting, scoring goals, working as a team. Run up the wing, then cross it in. Take a shot, then do it again. Pass to a friend, then move some more, and we will score. 1, 2, 1, 2, having fun. 1, 2, 1, 2, everyone. Getting everyone involved, dribbling with the ball. With your friends and family, it's soccer fun for all. Run up the wing, then cross it in. Take a shot, then do it again. Pass to a friend, then move some more, and we will score. Run up the wing, then cross it in. Take a shot, then do it again. Pass to a friend, then move some more, and we will score. 2, 2, 2, 2, having fun. 2, 2, 2, 2, everyone. 2, 2, 2, 2, don't give up. 2, 2, 2, 2, lift the cup.
Bus, cars, trucks, 2, count Is that a zombie I see over there? Oh no, it's coming our way. Let's all run out the room. Phew, it's only Daddy in costume.
Hey, you, boo! Did you hear that sound? Is it a monster that I found? Is that a ghost hiding under the stairs? Take a closer look and follow me. I can see little feet. Phew! It's alien under bed sheets.
Hey, you, boo! Did you hear that sound? Is it a monster that I found? Is that a vampire creeping up on us? It looks like it's headed this way. I can see a big cape. Phew! It's Mommy tricking us again. Hey, you, boo! Did you hear that sound? Is it a monster that I found? There were bumps and jumps and spooky scares, and the monsters danced the day away, but they were all just pretend. Phew! Halloween's great with our friends. Hey! Woohoo! We're driving in the car. Boom, boom. Let's start up the engine and vroom off. Beep, beep, when we drive in the car. Boom, boom. We can go any place that's close or far. It's the best place to be. Driving so happily. The journey's never far. Yay! Beep, beep, let's drive the car. We're driving in the car. Boom, boom. Let's start up the engine and vroom off. Wheels rolling along. Beep, beep. We can go any place, it won't take long. We're driving through the town. We're driving up and down. We're driving, let's go zoom. It's fun, yay! Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh! Yay! Whee! We're driving in the car. Beep, beep, beep. Let's start up the engine and vroom off. We're driving in the car. We can go any place, it's never far. We're driving in the car. Beep, beep. We're driving in the car. We're driving in the car. Beep, beep. We're driving in the car.
The wheels on the train go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the train go round and round all night long. The engine on the train goes chug, 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 chug. The engine on the train goes chug, chug, chug all night long. The steam from the train goes shush, 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 shush. The steam from the train goes shush, shush, shush all night long. The bird in the tree is fast asleep, fast asleep, fast asleep. The bird in the tree
is fast asleep all night long. The stars in the sky, they shine so bright, shine so bright, shine so bright. The driver stops the train and says goodnight. Time for bed.
We're going on a journey. Can you guess where to? We're off on a journey. Gonna take a long time. So sit back and get comfy and sing this little rhyme. Are we nearly there yet?
No,
Will we get there soon? No. Are we nearly there yet?
no.
Come on now, let's zoom. There's a long way to go, so you lot and I should play a game now. How about I spy? Yeah! Something beginning with B. Let me see. I know. A bus. That's right. Are we nearly there yet?
Yes,
Will we get there soon? Yes. Are we nearly there yet?
yes.
Come on now, let's zoom. We're here. Going to the doctor's, going to the doctor's. Gonna get myself checked, gonna get my health checked. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Doctors really care, doctors really care.
Take temperature. Take temperature. It's a little high. It's a little high. That's quite normal. That's quite normal. When you're feeling ill, when you're feeling ill, let's check your breathing. Let's check your breathing.
Going to the doctor's, going to the doctor's. Gonna get myself checked, gonna get my health checked. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Doctors really care, doctors really care.
Measure pulse. Measure pulse. It's a little fast. It's a little fast. That's quite normal. That's quite normal. When you're feeling ill, when you're feeling ill, check your throat. Check your throat.
Going to the doctor's, going to the doctor's. Gonna get myself checked, gonna get my health checked. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. Doctors really care, doctors really care. Lullaby and good night. The stars shine so bright. Sleepy baby, rock-a-bye, and to dreamland we fly. Little lambs bouncing free. fluffy ducks bobbing free. How many can you see? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, bobbing by forevermore. Lullaby and good night. Twinkle, shine so bright. Close your eyes and say good night. Baby will sleep tight.
Flying kites is fun to do on this windy day. We'll decorate with letters and send them on their way. We are almost ready, time to go outside. Let's try them out and learn what the ABC is all about. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Look at all the letters shining in the sun. The kites are up there waving, the alphabet is fun. Learning all the letters, it's a lot of fun. Are you ready? Here we go, let's say it one more time.